So you're 110 years old. Can you please tell me your secret to living so long? Was it maybe your diet, exercising, perhaps abstaining from something? Please, tell me. Not really. That's disgusting, Luke. Quit it. That's it. I'm pulling into a gas station and getting some fresh air. Now's your chance to go to the bathroom, because if you do that again, I'm taking away your phone.
Okay. I won't do it again. Mom's never gonna think this was me. Listen to this.
Luke, that's it. Give me your phone.
Wait, Mom, it wasn't me. Press the play button on my phone. Mom's never gonna think this was me. Listen to this.
How dare you? Here's your phone back, Luke. You give me your phone instead. Well, Luke, how did you do that?
It's an app called Reclip. It's constantly recording, and at any second, you can clip the last 2 minutes of conversation, and you can download it for free on the App Store.
Why can't a blonde dial 911? I don't know, Mario. Why can't they? Because they can't find the number 11. That's it! I've heard enough of your stupid blonde jokes. What makes you think the color of someone's hair has anything to do with who they are as a person? You should be ashamed of yourself. Oh, I'm sorry I made you feel that way. Like, I actually apologize. I just want... Hey! You stay out of this, mister! I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the guy on your knee. After reading your updated file, it looks like I'm gonna have to move you. Okay, may I ask where we're going? I've got good news and I've got bad news. Tell me the bad news, Doc. I can take it. In order to save your life, we're gonna have to amputate both of your legs. My legs! No! What could possibly be the good news after that? Well, you see that guy over there in the next bed? He wants to buy your slippers. Ah, shoot. I locked my keys in the car. Why don't we use a coat hanger to slide the lock open? No. People will think we're trying to steal the car. True. I have a pair of scissors. We could cut around the rubber, then stick our finger in and pull up on the lock. No. Then people would think we're too stupid to use a coat hanger. Well, we better think of something fast, because it's starting to rain and the car windows are down.
I'm breaking up with you. What? Why? Well, to be honest, the captain of the football team asked me out. But you're with me! But he's the captain of the football team. So do you not like me then? No, I do. But I like him more. Oh. Okay. Hey man, how are you feeling? Way better. That's really good to hear. Oh, your ex is coming. Hey! How's it going? I actually broke up with the other guy because he treats me horrible. And I had a dream last night about you. Oh really? What was it about? We were actually getting back together. Really? Yeah, really. Well then keep dreaming.
Look at these tracks, guys. It looks like deer tracks. You're so dumb. Those are clearly rabbit tracks. You guys are both morons. Those are bear tracks. I wonder what those girls are arguing about. Girls! Get off the track! Huh? Doc, what can my wife and I do to improve our short-term memory? Forgetfulness is common at your guys' age. Just get into a habit of Giving up golf. My eyesight's so weak, I can't even see where the ball goes. Why don't you take my grandpa with you and give it one more try? That's no good. Your grandpa's 85. He can't help. He may be 85, but his eyesight is perfect. Did you see where it went? Of course I did. I have perfect eyesight. Where did it go then? I'm not sure. I can't remember.
Mom, Dad, are you guys good at math?
I'd say I'm pretty good.
Don't get me started, son. I was the best in my class.
So this should be no problem for you guys. How old are you guys again?
You should know this. I'm 35.
And I'm 38.
Now the question is, if you guys were born 6 years ago, how old would you guys be?
I would be 29.
I would be 32.
If you guys were born 6 years ago, how old would you guys be?
I just said 32.
29.
No! You guys would be 6.
Why do giraffes have know that his cat died? How cruel of you! How could you phone me and tell me that while I'm away on my trip? That's literally the worst thing you could tell me. You know how much that cat meant to me, right? Well, what did you want me to do? Well, the least you could have done was send me a text saying that the cat was on the roof, then a few days later, send another text saying that the cat fell off the roof, then a few days after that, another text saying that the cat's in the hospital, and then a few days after that, one final text saying that the cat passed away. If you would have done that, I would have been prepared for it, and I would have taken it better. Okay, I'm sorry. Now I know for next time. Whatever. If you can answer these next 4 questions correctly, I won't give you any homework for a week.
Ooh, this is gonna be easy.
In which battle did Napoleon die?
His last one?
Okay, where was the Declaration of Independence signed?
At the bottom of the page?
Technically, yes. The Ravi River flows in which state?
Liquid state.
Okay, and what is the main reason for divorce?
Marriage. Luke Robert Davidson. Yes? Grandma's on the phone and she wants to talk to you. Oh. I'm gonna get you. Dinner's ready. Oh, just a dream.
Can I get you anything to drink, sir? I'm good with
Where's my phone? Wonder if this fits. Oh. That's a close one. No, please. Yes! We're good. Oh, I'm so tired, I cannot wait to fall. No, I forgot to do my homework.
I want to sell my car, but it has 250,000 miles on it, so I don't know who would want to buy it. Well, what if I told you there was a way to make it easier to sell, but technically it's illegal? Sure, that doesn't really matter. Okay, well, here's my friend's number. He owns a car repair shop. Just let him know that I sent you, and he'll turn the counter in your car back to 50,000 miles. You shouldn't have a problem selling it then. Thank you so much. I'm gonna phone him up this week. Hi, long time no see. Oh, hey, how are you? Thanks for giving me that guy's number, by the way. Oh, you're welcome. Did you end up selling your car? No. Why would I? It only has 50,000 miles on it.